windows down on my favorite street. Sunset in the rear view, got nowhere to be. For a moment we feel like we're kings and queens, and nothing but a t-shirt and ripped up jeans. We are free, can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove, and this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to memories, memories. Deep breath in and I come alive. It's a feeling I remember for the rest of my life. So I sit back and watch the sun paint us go. For a moment we feel like we rule the world. We are free. Can you feel it too? It's nights like these that only prove, and this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to memories, memories. Time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture, remember it now. And time is moving faster than ever. We gotta try to capture, remember it now. Yeah. And this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when the moments turn to memories, and this is when the future gets so clear to see, and this is when tonight becomes a masterpiece, and this is when the moments turn to memories, memories.
Bet, happy retirement day po. Thank you po dahil isa ka lang po sa naniniwala sa akin.
Hi, Ate Yvette! My lunch buddy! Wishing you your retirement full of health, happiness, and continued friendship. Now is the time for you to kick back and enjoy. And thank you, Ate Yvette, for all those good memories. Ang ating walang sawang kwentuhan sa mga teleserye, yung aking pangungulit, party waiting, at saka basta alam mo na yun, lahat ng mga kwentong walang katapusan. Love you, ate. Enjoy. Love you always. Miss you all. Bye-bye.
Hello guys! Welcome to my vlog. Welcome to my channel. Ako lang to. Gandang-ganda naman agad kayo. Humingi ng video yung inaanak ko, si Marilyn Suyat. short video daw para kay Yvette. Hello Yvette, kasi magre-retire ka na pala. Hoy, hello Yvette, masarap ang retired, masarap, masaya. Mag-enjoy ka. Magagawa mo na lahat ng gusto mong gawin. Mapupuntahan mo na ang mga lugar na gusto mong puntahan. Makakatulog ka na, makakagising ka kung anong oras mo gustong gumising. Pero teka, parang mas mahaba yata yung oras na gising kaysa tulog. Kasi nga, senior na. Pero okay lang yun. Mas mabuti nga yung mahaba ang gising kaysa sa mahabang tulog. Kasi, dadating yung time, puro tulog na lang, wala nang gising. Kaya, okay na yung ganito, laging gising. Okay, Yvette, enjoy mo yung retirement mo. Magkakasalubong naman tayo dito sa Las Piñas. Doon na lang tayo magtsikahan ng todo. Bye-bye! Happy retirement!
Hi, Miss Beth. Congratulations sa iyong retirement. Enjoyin mo na lahat ng matatanggap mo sa Provident Fund at sa GSIS. Ano ba ngayon? 90% ka ba? So, travel ka na, bili mo lahat ng gusto mo, and enjoy lang. Enjoy. Keep safe parate. Congratulations!
Hi Ma, congratulations po on your retirement at ngayon po ay makakapag-relax ka na. Yan nga lang po, mas stress po dito sa bahay. Joke aside po, again po, happy retirement po. We are very thankful po sa inyo pong efforts na ibinigay po sa inyong pagtatrabaho upang mabigyan po ng maayos na pamumuhay po ang ating pamilya. And alam ko rin po na marami po kayong mga knowledge or insights na itinuro o binahagi din po sa iyong mga office mates na kung saan natuto din po sila doon. At ngayon po sa iyong pag-retire, alam ko po na sa ilang years or decades sa inyong pag-work ay mamimiss nyo rin po siguro yun kung na sa pag-retiro nyo po. And alam ko po na through all those years po sa inyong pagtatrabaho, marami po kayong mga experiences along with your peers na na-enjoy nyo po the most. At yan po, dahil yun nga, mag-retire na kayo, you enjoy naman po the rest of your life na worry stress ka na po, na hindi ka na po mapag-uutusan ng mga boss mo. Let's go! So yun po, again po Ma, happy retirement po and congratulations po.
Hello Pangga, maraming salamat sa paglilingkod mo sa Land Bank. Sa iyong pagretiro, hindi ka na mapupuyat tuwing umaga para mag-work. At kasama ka na namin dito sa bahay araw-araw. God bless. I love you.
Okay, Ma'am Yvette.